Hi, my name is Alfonso, a product manager at Google Cloud. Today, I'll show you how to use Gemini Cloud Assist in Google Cloud FinOps tooling to understand cost, identify waste, and prioritize cost optimization opportunities. Let me ask you a quick question. When your cloud bills arrive, do you know what's driving cost? And can you spot wasted resources easily? And then, can you quickly prioritize fixes and coordinate with your DevOps teams to take action? Your cloud applications are the lifeblood of your business. They power your customer experiences, drive your research and innovation, and fuel your business growth. However, idle resources, simple misconfigurations, and sudden usage spikes can waste money, degrade performance, and frustrate your customers. To get most from your cloud investment, you need to continuously understand your cost, control spending, and fine-tune your resources for peak efficiency. That's where Gemini Cloud Assist comes in. It helps you quickly understand cost, find optimization opportunities, and eliminate waste in your Google Cloud environment. Gemini Cloud Assist in Google Cloud FinOps is built to save time on critical FinOps tasks directly in your billing console. Gemini Cloud Assist in Cost Reports provides clear insights into your cloud spending, allowing you to create custom reports, identify key trends, and uncover exactly what's driving your costs. Plus, integration with App Hub provides detailed cost analysis for your specific applications. Now, let's demonstrate how you can use Gemini Cloud Assist in Cost Reports to understand your cost drivers. I will ask Gemini Cloud Assist to help me understand my cost for Kubernetes Engine during the last month. A custom report is generated for me, filtering the cost for Kubernetes Engine in the last month. The bar chart shows the daily spend with detailed cost in the table below. The summary provided by Gemini Cloud Assist explains the most relevant insights on the data, including how much money I have saved through my optimizations. And what's this? It looks like Gemini Cloud Assist is suggesting there are more optimization opportunities via the FinOps Hub. Let's check out what's available for Kubernetes Engine. With FinOps Hub, I now have a clear, unified view of my cloud cost optimization, where I'm overspending, how well my FinOps practices score, and exactly how much I've saved, all at a glance. Here, I can also see Gemini Cloud Assist insights alerting me about an increase in Kubernetes Engine resources that are potentially wasted. Clicking on the link takes me to the new Utilization Insight page, where utilization metrics are used to identify waste across my cloud environment. FinOps Hub Utilization Insights, powered by Gemini Cloud Assist, pinpoint waste and boost efficiency across your Google Cloud Services and App Hub applications. One of my favorite features in FinOps Hub is the waste map. It instantly highlights exactly where you're overspending, whether from an idle VM, over-provisioned clusters, or misconfigured services, and shows you precisely how to optimize. Navigating large-scale cloud infrastructure deployments across many projects can be challenging and time-consuming. Gemini Cloud Assist in FinOps Hub empowers you to efficiently identify high-impact areas by automatically prioritizing the top projects based on potential cost of wasted resources. With a simple click on Focus on the Top Projects, Gemini Cloud Assist provides rapid access to key insights, refreshing the waste map to pinpoint projects needing immediate attention. Hovering over the waste map, you can understand the total cost for each of the waste categories representing in each project. You can see the identified resources, their cost for the last 30 days, utilization metrics, and even recommendations on how to fix the issues. FinOps, DevOps, Finance, and additional business stakeholders need to collaborate to ensure financial accountability, data-driven decision-making, and continuous optimization improvement. For that reason, Gemini Cloud Assist in FinOps Hubs makes it easy to identify the top opportunities that require collaboration to implement, and even crafts the communications that can be used in email, chat, or a ticketing system. Gemini Cloud Assist for Google Cloud FinOps makes cloud optimization easy and comprehensive for everyone. To try it out, visit the FinOps Hub to experience these new features and unlock maximum cloud value today. And to learn more about other features of Gemini Cloud Assist, check out the description below for more videos. Thanks for watching.